If you find this video, it's a sign. Not a sign that everything is going to magically work out, but a sign that you are the one who has the power to change everything. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to suddenly show up and fix your life for you. Not even God. This works or it doesn't because of you. I know you have tried. I know you have pushed yourself. I know you have prayed. I know you have put in the effort when you were already tired. And I know there are days when you look back at your life and think, maybe this isn't for me. Maybe it's taking too long. Maybe I don't have what it takes. That thought hurts because you care. And when nothing is moving, when doors stay closed, you start thinking there's something wrong with you. Like you are flawed, like you are unlucky, like everyone else figured something out that you didn't. But listen to me, life doesn't work on your timeline. Nothing comes too early, nothing comes too late. It comes when you are ready to hold it. Because reaching a destination too early can ruin everything. You might arrive, sure, but you won't stay. You won't know how to protect it. You won't know how to sustain it. That's why timing matters. And yes, trust God's timing. But understand this. Trusting timing does not mean doing nothing. The only thing you can control in this entire process is your efforts, your actions, your discipline. What you choose to do even when you don't feel motivated, even when you don't feel sure, even when you don't feel confident. Clarity doesn't come before action. Clarity comes from action. You don't suddenly wake up ready. You become ready by showing up anyway. I don't know how many failures it's going to take. I don't know how many times you will mess up. I don't know how many times you will feel like quitting. But I know this. Every time you try again, you are closer. Every failure shapes you. Every disappointment builds something in you that comfort never could. You are not falling behind. You are becoming someone stronger than the version of you that first had the dream. Like a seed underground, it seems like nothing is happening, but in reality, roots are growing, strength is forming, foundation is being built, and one day it breaks through. So wherever you are in life right now, confused, tired, uncertain, doubting yourself, don't stop. Keep trying, keep working, keep moving forward, even slowly, because the version of you that's coming, the version of you who can actually handle the dream, is being built right now. If this video found you, it's not here to comfort you, it's here to remind you your life is in your hands, your effort matters, and your time will come. Just don't give up before it does.